Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, jobs report out. It's 8:35 in the morning, Eastern time. Plus 155,000 on jobs. Some people were looking for like 200, and I mean, come on, guys, come on. I mean, stop it. So 155 is about in line. 7.8 on the unemployment rate. That's no big surprise. Average hourly earnings was up, so that's interesting. That's kind of a positive. And the revisions were pretty flat but positive. So up another 14,000 on the revisions. I think this is pretty much what the market was expecting, and it looks like from the reaction that this is pretty much what was baked in. So let's look at what we need to do today. Here's your range. 57 on the up so far, and 51 quarter on the down. You take this out a little bit. Here's that 1460 half over here from yesterday. The bulls must take out 1460 half, and they must do it today. They don't have a choice. If you're going to run up from 1382 to 1460, you need to keep up the momentum. If you don't, then what happens is, let's go to the daily. Then, whoa, look at Fibland. Hold on. Okay. Then you start to get a little bit of a top here, and things start to roll over. And no, that's not flagging. And there's still this gigantic gap underneath. The bulls have done a lot of work in the last few days. Yesterday was basically, for all the up and the down, we were pretty much flat, didn't really move the pivots much. So the bulls have their task in front of them, which is to take out 1460 half. Maybe they do it, maybe they don't. We'll have to see. At the same time, the bears have got to break that 1450 level, which was yesterday's low, and start to go to work on 1438 if they're going to do anything meaningful. The bears really haven't accomplished anything until they close below 1450. So right now we're kind of in no man's land, which is how I'm trading. I'm still swing short, but I got out of a lot of it yesterday, and I'm just sitting here in kind of a core swing short position that is really small that I can add to if we go up or take profits on if we go down. So, and that's what you have to do. When we get extended like this, I added yesterday up on the 59s, and then I sold it down on the 52s. And, that's a 7-handle trade. I mean, nothing wrong with that trade. You'll take that trade. But trading in and trading out of a core long or a core short, that's how you keep your sanity, really. So pivots today, the daily pivot is sitting at 1454.92. Which is kind of in the it's in the middle of this jobs range. Then you've still got triple pivots down at 1432. Unless the market gets really upset today, I don't think we'll touch those levels, but you never know. And the 45-day pivot is sitting at 1418.33. So if we do 1468, then we're back up into that plus 50 handle off the 45-day pivot range you guys hear me talk about. That's what we did up here. This day right here. These highs on 1458, that was 50 handles almost to the tick above the 45-day pivot, and that was where we took a rest that day. So keep an eye on that level. All right, everybody have a fantastic weekend. Nice short week this week. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.